Standby favourite here is Lion Barrels. They're all set and they're away and racing now, and I Like on the inside being pushed along there to at least gain some sort of momentum up towards the front. Lion Barrows is very prominent here, heading up there with Claremont Club in the orange. Then Be Ahead back and about fourth. Golden Lark out wide from Southgate, and going back to last there is Inspire. So in the early stages here, it's Claremont Club who's working across with the featherweight, and with a circuit to go, it's Claremont Club. Blinkers off tonight and looks to have settled pretty well, to be honest. He's in front, in control by about a length over in second. I Like, who's on the rails, then Lion Barrows, who's in the green cap on the outside, running third. Behind him is Be Ahead, who's one off the fence in fourth. Southgate next on the inside in fifth. Golden Lark is back sixth, and last of all there is Inspire. So not going overly hard. 26.53 was the first 400 metre sectional, and it's Claremont Club who leads down the back straight. Around 1100 metres to go. 3/4 in front from Lion Barrows, who's much closer tonight. He's up running second. Then came I Like, who's tucked away third on the rails from Be Ahead fourth. Southgate, then Golden Lark and Inspire. So there's been little to no change in this. Only a small field over the maximum distance on the poly track of 1900 metres. They've got 800 metres to go now, and it's Claremont Club getting a nice run here for his rider Harry Cassim. Lion Barrows on the outside. Now there's a run coming from Inspire, who's let loose and he's coming fast as well. He moves around on the outside into third. Then Be Ahead fourth. Now ridden along is I Like on the rails from Golden Lark, shown the whip, and Southgate last of all. So they're hotting it up now around the turn. 400 metres to go. Claremont Club under sufferance, and Lion Barrows and Inspire have gone to the front together. They're clear of Be Ahead, and down the outside is Golden Lark, still about 4 lengths off them. Lion Barrows, he should have a kick. He's had a nice enough run. Claremont Club is coming back. Then came Inspire, who's been on the move now for about 600 metres, but he's still coming. Then Be Ahead down the outside from Golden Lark, but it's Lion Barrows in front. Claremont Club, Be Ahead, Inspire closing in as well. Lion Barrows just in front. Good ride from Munro, and Lion Barrows first from Be Ahead, and Claremont Club. Then came Inspire. Well, the effort just told on him. He's run well though. Then came Golden Lark down the outside, I Like, and also Southgate.